Hey guys, come let's paint.
A for apple, B for ball, C for cat, D for dog, E for elephant, F for fish.